Beach Hero. Beach Hero is a horizontal view 2D shooter where you hit adults and obtain points as you progress. The main character, Boo, is trying to rid the beach of those pesky adults. While trying to hit the adults with beach balls, Boo has to also avoid being run into or hitting kids on the beach. The game will end if the hero runs out of lives. As a gamer, I want to press the start button so that I can begin playing the game. As a gamer, I want to have 3 lives so I can have at least 3 tries. As a gamer, I want to move the shooter using the up and down arrow keys so that I can navigate the shooter on the game scene. As a gamer, I want to press the mouse so that I can kick the beach ball. As a gamer, I want to hit the adults with the beach ball so that I can get game points. As a gamer, I want to avoid walking into or hitting kids so that I keep from losing game points. As a kid, I want to appear at random locations so that the gamer cannot guess where I will appear. As a kid, I want to walk closer to the gamer so that I can leave the game screen. As an adult, I want to appear at random positions and fly vertically back and forth so that the gamer cannot shoot me easily. As an adult, I want to appear at unpredictable times so that the gamer cannot guess when I will appear. As a beach ball, I want to travel to the mouse press location so that I can explode myself to a certain size. As a beach ball, I want to pop myself so that I can hit enemies within an explosion boundary. As a volleyball, I want to go to the mouse location at the time when the space key is pressed so that I can travel across the game scene. As a volleyball, I want to bounce off edges of the game scene so I can stay inside the game scene. As a volleyball, I want to explode myself so that I can hit enemies within an explosive boundary.